Hi everyone, I'm Hira Jaleel, visiting assistant professor at the Center for Animal Law Studies at Lewis and Clark Law School in Portland, Oregon, where I teach courses on food law, aquatic animal law, and farmed animal protection law. I'm looking forward to participating in the ICARE Contemporary Issues in Animal Rights course and to get to know and meet students as they prepare to advocate for animal rights through the legal system. Along with my colleague, Miss Amy Wilson, I will be participating as a judge and trainer for the online Speed Moot Court. As all lawyers and law students know, litigation is one of the most essential skills we need to acquire during our legal education. In the animal rights space, litigation plays an important role in securing legal victories for animals through the judicial system. Hence, the purpose of the Speed Moot Court is to allow students to apply their knowledge of animal rights jurisprudence in a simulated online classroom setting. Our hope is that once they graduate from this course, students will be able to use the knowledge they acquire, litigating and advocating for animals in the real world.
Hi everyone, I am Amy P. Wilson, co-founder and acting executive director of Animal Law Reform South Africa. I am a research associate and lecturer with the University of Johannesburg and a senior adjunct lecturer at the University of Western Cape in South Africa. I am really excited to be part of the 2025 ICARE Contemporary Issues in Animal Rights Law course. This online program blends insightful academic theory with practical advocacy and litigation skills, equipping participants from diverse backgrounds to become effective change makers in one of the most dynamic areas of legal study. Even within the animal protection and animal law movement, many aquatic animals are forgotten or less considered than other types of animals, yet they are some of the most vulnerable and harmed beings on Earth. It is critical that we recognize them as individuals with intrinsic worth and elevate them within our consciousness and advocacy. Promoting aquatic animal rights is not only key to ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures, but to safeguarding the rights of all other species, as well as our beautiful blue planet. Acting as both trainers and judges, Hira and I will guide participants through this hands-on session focused on the often overlooked and underdeveloped field of aquatic animal rights, offering practical experience in this emerging area of law. I hope to meet you soon, and I am really looking forward to working with you on these critical issues.